this kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 62 of Building Marvel's Infinity Gauntlet. This is an issue where we're going to be continuing what we did last time and continuing that all throughout this delivery. We're basically just building up the inner forearm, because we did the outer forearm already. So yeah, but first of all, we're going to flip through the magazine. Feel free to pause and read the words and look at the nice pretty pictures if you desire. Personally, I'm not worrying about them at the moment, so feel free to have a look through. This is what we're doing. We've got one more piece which we're attaching to the two that we had previously, the two that I have here, in fact. I've got another piece to add there, and that will make it that little bit wider. So yeah, we'll get to that. The last few pages of the magazine, looking at the maker. Reed Richards, isn't it? Mr. Stretch, Mr. Impossible, no, Mr. Fantastic. But did he have a name? I know they called him Stretch, but I don't know if that was his proper name or if that was just his nickname thing. But there we go. Feel free to look at all of those and the artists while I clear this out of the way and get the build built. So, in this delivery, we have another strip of what is it? These inner forearm. So we've got the part from before, got the little cut out there, so you can't get it wrong. Goes on there, and there are 5 screws that hold this together. We get our pack of screws, which probably contains 6. So we'll get all of those out because I'm going to be using more of them next time anyway. And we shall get 5 of those in there together. Use my big screwdriver. I normally can on this part of the build. So we'll get those in there. One there. Maybe that is a little bit big. I might not be able to use that one this time around. Go for the slightly smaller screwdriver. That fits the screws a little bit better. That's 2. 3. 4 down there. Now, as ever, when I'm putting these in, I'm not tightening them up yet. Get them all in first, make sure everything lines up properly. Screws in that pack. Then, once you know everything is lined up properly, you can go back and tighten them all up fully and make sure everything is properly secure. So there we go. That's that piece in there. Another one done. I shall tighten this up behind the scenes and then come back next time when we're going to be adding some more to it. Whether we're going that side or that side, I don't know. It's the suspense that keeps it interesting, isn't it? So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.